So here's a question that blew up on Hacker News last week. 423 upvotes. 169 comments. The post said, has anyone actually replaced ChatGPT with a local model for daily coding? And the top answers weren't nah, not ready yet. They were, yeah, months ago. And I'm never going back. So I tried it. I installed a local AI on my laptop. 2 months later, I canceled my ChatGPT Plus subscription. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing. No technical background required. You can literally do this before this video ends. Let me explain what local AI actually means with the simplest analogy I can think of. Using ChatGPT? That's like ordering takeout. You're hungry, you pull out your phone, you order from a restaurant in the cloud. A driver brings it to you. Convenient, sure. But you wait, you pay delivery fees, and the restaurant knows exactly what you ordered every single time. Running a local model? That's like cooking at home. The ingredients, the model files, you download once from Alama. Your laptop is the kitchen. You cook whenever you want. No delivery fee, no waiting for a driver, and nobody knows what you had for dinner. That last part matters more than you think, especially if you're writing code for work. Alright, let's actually do this. 3 minutes. That's all you need. Step 1, go to olama.com. Hit download. Pick your operating system. Install it. It's literally the same process as installing Chrome. When it's done, you'll see a little llama icon in your menu bar. Step 2, open your terminal. On Mac, CMD plus space, type terminal. On Windows, Win plus R, type this one command, Alama run Qwen3:14b. That's it. It downloads the model, takes about the length of a song depending on your internet, loads it into memory, and drops you straight into a chat interface. You're now talking to your own private AI. No sign up. No API key. No credit card. If you're a developer, swap Qwen3:14b for DeepSeek Coder v2. Same one-line install. $0 either way. Now the real question, is it actually good? I've been using this for 2 months. Here's my honest take. Speed. This thing is fast. Like, noticeably faster than ChatGPT for routine tasks. Why? Because your prompt doesn't travel across the internet. It goes from your keyboard to your RAM, gets processed, and appears on your screen. No server queue. No experiencing high demand right now. Privacy. Your code, your documents, your conversations, they never leave your machine. Not encrypted in the cloud. They literally never leave. If you write proprietary code for work, you understand why this matters. Chinese quality. Qwen is built by Alibaba. Its Chinese training data is massive. For writing in Chinese, it often feels more natural than ChatGPT. Where it struggles. Large models need serious hardware. If you want to run a 70B plus model, you need 32GB plus of VRAM. But for a 14B model? An M1 MacBook Air with 8GB handles it fine. No web browsing. ChatGPT can search the internet. Local models can't, their knowledge is frozen at training time. Shorter context. ChatGPT offers 128K context. Local models typically offer 32K. Good enough for most tasks. Here's the strategy one landed on. Don't choose one or the other. Use both, but smartly. Make your local model your daily driver. Code, emails, documentation, translations, quick questions, all local. Free, fast, private. Keep ChatGPT for special ops. When you need live web search, massive context windows, or complex multi-step reasoning, that's when you pull out the big guns. Here's the math, if you go from 50 ChatGPT queries a day to maybe 5 a week, the free tier might be all you need. That plus subscription? You might not miss it. That's $240 back in your pocket every year. Not bad for 3 minutes of setup. Look, the future of AI shouldn't be a monthly bill. It should be like electricity. You flip the switch and it's there. No gatekeeper, no subscription, no one watching what you do. You can have that future right now. Today. On the computer you already own. Go to olama.com. Spend 3 minutes. Install your first local AI.